So, hello, good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you all are well. And today we are now here, Hotel Ramada Plaza. This is the five-star hotel of the Agra, and this is one of the finest hotel of the Agra. So, I can't explain the feeling because it's my first experience. I have enjoyed lots of things here, and uh, from the morning, if you, I want to say that firstly we have taken our breakfast, then we started our session with the lots of great good news and uh, beautiful teams. So there is some lots of the achievements we have taken, and we attended the session from the mentors, and they explained about their journeys, so that they how the challenges face it in their journey, and they are now achieving, they are doing very well. So I have learned many things from here, and we will apply all the things in my work so that we all can grow, and we are here with my team. So today is a very special day because this is the second day of Ramada Plaza, and now we are going to take the breakfast. It's a morning time. You can see this is the morning view from here, and this is the very beautiful view. Look at this. This is the eighth floor from Ramada Plaza, and oh, hello. So we are going to take the breakfast and some beautiful surprises, and there's the gift of the T-shirt which is designed by the team of a team name. My team name is Youth Army. So this is a very wonderful T-shirt we have seen, and till the time we after this we will attend our training session today program, and there is very special moments for the founder Dr. from the founder of the company, Dr. Ram Sharma sir, and there's the great appliance such as like Nilesh Pathak sir, Sarfraz Alam sir, Sanu ma'am, Saurabh sir. So these are the great mentors, and uh, we are going to do really big in the future in the history of the direct selling. So there is the beauty of direct selling, because if you are doing any work in your life and you want to grow and you want to succeed in your life, then it is not possible to doing it by 9 to 5, because your jobs will not fulfill your dreams. Your jobs only complete your needs, but they can't fulfill your dreams. So if you want to dream anything, if you want to really do the such big things in your life, so you have to join the network marketing and join the direct selling. So there is the beautiful industry in the world, entire world we have seen ever, and we are doing with the best company name is Otla Life Private Limited. So thank you guys, and we will meet you soon. Till the time, you go self-made. Thank you so much, everyone.